Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here. Thanks for those who recently subscribed to my channel. I'm always going to say that. And for those who engage with me in the comment section, for those who also watched my last video and obviously saw that I haven't been feeling very well and has left your well wishes, I truly appreciate that. We all know that we've been there, we've done that. There are times indeed when we're all burned out and we do need to look after ourselves. No matter what is going on in this world, ourselves come first. It's important, and like I said in the last video that I was encouraged as well, our body is the Lord's temple. Okay, so we need to look after that. It's going to be a very relaxing day for me today with comfort breakfast. I'm going to take you right into breakfast, okay? And I know that you're going to want some or you wish that you could have some, but yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better. So I'm a little bit mouthy, but I'm still a little bit, on the tired side. So thank you guys so much, and please continue watching this video because breakfast was on fleek. So in our kitchen today, we are preparing some saltfish fritters with some ackee and saltfish. I actually fell for this like from a few days ago. So I said to mommy, can you make me some saltfish fritters and ackee and saltfish, of course, with some bread as well. So we get right into it because my mom obviously was going to go to work. So snap. This is a batter prepared already for the fritters that you would have seen in the pot. Do remember that if you ever want to know how my mom prepared her saltfish fritters, you can always check her channel out. It's Joanne Homemade Meals on YouTube, because I am pretty sure I do have a video that I posted a few years ago on it. And do remember as well that everyone liked their fritters quite differently. I like mine naturally with a lot of saltfish. I'm not sure about you, but I tend to do. And then of course she would have prepped her season here: Scotch bonnet peppers, tomatoes, scallion, onions, and this is going to be for the saltfish and the ackee, or ackee and saltfish I should say rather. So I hope you will enjoy this video. It's quite difficult living here to get certain things that you know that is of quality. So this saltfish was obviously not the type or the typical or usual that my mother would basically buy when she goes shopping, but it's what's available. And what are you gonna do? You literally can't walk up and down all over London just to get what you really want, especially when you're exhausted, right? So she was not impressed, but we make the best of it, because what can you do? Just gotta get with it and just use what you can and what they have available in the shop, right? Let's continue. So from here on, we're just cooking up the seasoning before we put our ackee into this pot. And let me just add this on as well separately. Do know that these ackees are from the tin, because we ain't got no ackee tree here. And I think I've said that before in a video over my mom's channel once when I was doing a recording. So again, we have to utilize what we can and how we do get the products. But yeah, so the ackee is from the tin. But if you ever feel sorry for us and you want to send us up some ackee, you can. I'm just joking. But yes, our ackee is from the tin. This is the fritters already done and everything. So we're just focusing now on our ackee and saltfish. Yeah, mom was not really pleased about the saltfish, but hey ho, what can you do? Now we're quite old school and my mother is very old school. So you see that piece of saltfish bone that is in there? Yeah, we wanted it to be in there, okay? Are you old school, or are you one of those kind of contemporary style kind of girl? Like, I'm real old fashioned, I can tell you that. just for your information, because that was not recorded anyway, because again I have all these videos on my mom's channel. But because the ackee came into the tin, she would have actually put it like in a strainer and pour some hot water from the kettle over it, obviously. So I don't know how you do yours, but this is how we do ours. Okay, just thought I'll put it out there. If you've reached this far in the video, thank you guys so much, and do remember to tell your friends and your family about my channel. From here on, mommy is just adding like a little bit of black pepper. Do remember that even though it is ackee and saltfish and the saltfish is already salted, it may be a little bit fresh as well, so it depends. And remember, this is not a very good brand, so if you feel as if your pot needs to add a little pinch more salt, go ahead and do so. It's up to yourself, it's up to what you prefer and your family prefer. Do you hear how I'm stressing on that? Your preferences, okay? Because it might be different from ours. And you can add whatever season powder you want to. If you just want to do a basic like black pepper and pinch of salt, or you want to do your what other season again that is out there. There's so many out there in the market nowadays. I'm running out. Again, it's totally up to you. So this is breakfast, ackee and saltfish fritters with hard or bread. If you don't want to have the bread with yours, you don't have to. If you don't want to have the fritters along with your ackee and saltfish because you're like having a lot of saltfish here, it's up to you. Whatever you want, put that in your plate, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's going to make you happy. So this was breakfast, absolutely delicious, and I hope you enjoy this video. So now that you have seen what me and mommy prepared for breakfast, well, it was kind of me and mommy still, to be honest. I was just holding the cam. At one point, I tried to basically stir the ackee, but the left hand ain't handed at all. Yeah, so you've seen what we prepared for breakfast. It was saltfish fritters, just to reiterate, and of course, ackee and saltfish. And them ackee is all in the tin here. So you get the jiffy. Once you're watching the video, you feel the vibes, you sense what's going on. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video. What are you going to make for your breakfast today, and what are you going to make for your dinner today? And if you possibly can share with someone like a neighbor or a friend, go ahead and do so. Thank you guys so much once again, and I wish you all the very best. Remember, continue to seek the Lord, put him first in every single thing that you do, greet him first in the morning, and yeah, just remember to acknowledge him at all times, because he is worthy to be praised. So no matter what we're doing, let's not just get fast paced on things, and do remember to bond with him and get ourselves aligned with him. But yeah, that was breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Share with your friends and your family. Wow, okay. And also, there is a thumbs up and a thumbs down button, like it's there for a reason. So let me face it. And there is also a comment box. No, actually there for engagement. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Anyway, yeah, it's not that deep. Honestly, I can be like that sometimes. But thank you guys so much for your continued love and your support. Goodbye.